Welcome in a quick review of Europa Universalis 5. So first thing first, what you can actually expect from the game. So everything affects everything. That means that population, economy, state, politics and warfare are unified. Real supply, demand, economy with trade, markets and resource flows. Internal management matters as much as external conquest. Also true simulation of living world. And that's like really good, what you can actually expect. No mana, realistic management. So no monarch points, no artificial abstraction. Your empire develops through the infrastructure, pop growth, trade, estates, politics, economy, warfare, and diplomacy. So also the audio is great, performance better than the major improvements over EU4. Now the cons is the AI is weak, struggles with complexity. Suicidal army movement, poor economic management, weak expansion and diplomacy, easy to snowball once you understand the systems. UI UX issues, also many people have reported too many clicks to access essential information, poor readability, bugs, unfinished features, so missing tooltips, events not firing due to typos, some situations stuck at 0% progress. So then you can have also lack of flavor for most nations. So outside Europe, content is thin at launch. And then warfare issues, so sieges are painfully slow, and sometimes is like some systems feel overtuned, so like population crashes from black can destroy nations, estate penalties overly harsh, many early disasters feels unavailable, and there is like steep learning curve, so this is something that you have to be aware of. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.